we decided to take the kids out on the boat. Covers back on. Good to go. We're all done. All loaded. Ready to go.
Like it now, Jason? How you like it? Oh my goodness, where's Daddy going? Michaela, are you nervous? We're going far now. It's open? It's cold there.
Here we are, another sunny day. It's pretty hot today. It's like 65. Got the kids out of the house on the boat. Look at this guy. This is the chicken.
I'm gonna squeeze you at the bottom.
The chicken that is scared. And now he doesn't want to go home.
Now what?
Now let's go. Here, hold it. Hold it. Hold.
Okay. As we floating up. Whoa! You heard that?
Give me that.
Oh my. Now you're joking. Jason.
It broke. You want to see how is this? My dad. Here, Mommy.
Put the boat there.
Oh.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Kenny. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button. Alright, moving on. Let's talk more about the boat. It's a portable folding boat with seating for 4 and a maximum capacity of 500 pounds, including the engine. It's very stable and you could actually move around, walk around on it, versus being on a kayak to where you're limited to a sitting position. Now let's get on to why I chose the Porta Bote. For starter, the boat doesn't need any extra washing or anything like that. All you have to do is rinse it off after each use and you'll be good to go. For the engine, however, you do have to change one oil, which is the gear oil, and you do that once every 1 to 2 years, depending on how much you use it, but 1 to 2 years is very good, and the cost is only about $14, as you can see there. I bought that at Walmart for, with tax, right around $16, and it would last you 2 oil changes. 2. This boat is not considered a boat. It's considered a dinghy, which you don't need to register in Washington State, and you don't need to pay any fees or tabs. There's no trailer. You don't need to pay trailer fee or trailer tab. 3. No boat launch fee. You can launch this anywhere, no fees to pay. 4. The boat is tiny. You can fold it down into a 4-inch diameter, and it's gonna be 10 foot or 12 foot. The height is about 24 inches, so it's tiny and compact. You could choose to mount it on the roof or the side, just like a surfboard or a kayak, which is great because it's about the same size. Another space saving is you don't need a designated spot at home to fit a trailer in a boat. You can take it inside your garage and hang it on the wall or the ceiling, or you can just take it outside in your backyard and hang it on the fence. Very space saving, versatile. And that's my take on a simple to set up, simple to use, low maintenance water fun solutions. You can take the boat camping, you can take it out fishing, crabbing, cruise down into a deserted island and isolate yourself. You can cruise down the lake or the beach and just get some wind in your hair.